wizard.
Alright, good afternoon everyone. I hope you're all having a great day. God bless everyone and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Alright, so yesterday on the video we were saying we could see a bounce from the 786 level. And we could see it go back to the golden pocket, and I thought that's exactly what she was going to do. I thought we would put in more bull divs. From yesterday's video I was saying we'd have to continue lower and put in an extra bull div, but we were somewhere up here, and we just put in the fourth yellow X. Yeah, we had just put in the fourth yellow X. We was getting a red dot, so I thought she would come down, we'd lose the golden pocket, and that we'd come down to the 786 while putting in bull divs. We didn't. We just kept going down, but we put in a nice bottom. I mean, we have tons of BitBoy green dots back here, right? We wicked down. I did think we could wick down past the 786, and we did bounce off of it. But right here, I thought we'd get rejected off the golden pocket. Looks like we were going to pinch. That VWAP was coming down, but she bounced right off that zero line and kept going. Now, we have just hit some pretty strong resistance at 102. 102K is strong resistance at the moment. There's a spider line right there. You have the Trump VWAP. You have this week 2 VWAP. And we leapfrogged all these VWAPs so quickly. Now, you do have the blue triangle with the green dot. If you know Market Cipher, the yellow bullish continuation, yellow diamonds. Now this, usually you like to see the green dot right after the blue triangle, and it's best to use it on a higher time frame, like the 6 hour and up. But it can work on these lower time frames. Looking at the VWAP, we just reset 7 minutes ago. Looks like she is curving down. Now she could just curve down and bounce up. If she does cross over the zero line, I would expect a top red dot to be printing. Okay. And we could come down to maybe back to 99, but we have a couple weekly VWAPs to hold us up. And I don't think we wicked down lower on the daily than the last low. Yeah, we still didn't wick down. We still didn't take. I mean, we definitely took all these lows, but price hasn't gotten as low as it was back here on the daily. So it's possible. Let's see what the weekly. I knew it was getting rejected last night. Yeah, excuse me, money flow's coming out. I don't know, I'd be careful about, because that's still looking like we have downside. It looks like we're gonna have some more downside with that weekly VWAP just coming down. 2 week VWAP coming down. And she just reset as well. Still got that red dot on divergence. This is what you need to pay attention to. Even though price is pumping at the moment, you still need to pay attention. Just take profits. Make sure you're taking profits, because these things will play out. They will play out. And now on the monthly, certain charts are printing the red dot already. Okay, so the red dot's coming on bull divs, and it's massive, or excuse me, bear divs. So the red dot's coming on the bear divs. Your VWAP is getting ready to cross over the zero line on the monthly, and that's going to cause downside. It's going to cause us to come down a bit. Now we could just come down for a few months and hit all-time highs by the end of the year. But I am concerned with the monthly and the 3 week bear divs, because it's more than likely going to confirm. You already have them on the 2 week, and these are playing out. These are playing out now. I mean, I know we're pumping now, but you saw these wicks to the downside, right? Look what happened on this red dot. Major downside movement. So you can expect it on the same thing. Let's look at the 2 week. What happened when the 2 week red dot printed? Actually, let's not really moved down, huh? I mean, some massive volatility right here. Some massive volatility that's just an odd candle, right? But you did go down after the red dot printed. I know the candle opened green and everything, but I mean, just the volatility the last few weeks. So it's definitely something to keep an eye on. I know price is pumping, but she can come down. I mean, we saw it. She can come down quick. Come down quick. Go up just as fast. Let's go to a lower time frame, to the 15 minute. Okay, VWAP is crossing down here at resistance. We've already banged our head on the 102. We're sitting about 106 right now. Money flow is looking good. It's getting up there, same as these momentum waves, which means even if you get a cool off, so you came right up to what is this, week 2 VWAP? Came right up to your week 2 VWAP. It's rejecting you. The VWAP on market cipher B is coming down. She could bounce. We saw her bounce here, right? She came down, she bounced here, took off. Money flow is up there. You got plenty of room to make bear divs. As you get to higher, you got plenty of room for the bear divs. So you probably going to see a little cool off. Probably back down. You could go back down to 100K. I mean, the volatility though, just the absolute volatility right now. Excuse me. Yeah, you're losing that VWAP. I don't know, I'd just keep an eye on it. Go back to the 1 hour. 1 hour is coming down. But she very well, I mean, we've seen her bounce. We've seen her bounce off this zero line and keep going. But there is good resistance. So if we're going to continue higher, we need to get above 102. We need to start closing some candles above 102K. And then we can start eyeing the 105, 106 area once again. And these are the levels I'm looking for today. I'm going to wait for the VWAP to reset, and I should be back around 8 p.m. Central Time. That'll do it for me. I hope y'all have a good day. I'm out.